And welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Wednesday 10th of January with me, Rich Perrin, market analyst at Hantec. Markets looking at euro dollar, which has been falling in the last 3 days. Three strong bear candles, broken that uptrend of 3 weeks, and sort of moves the market more corrective. I still think it's a correction within a medium-term sort of bull run, really, and this is a near-term move. However, it'll be interesting to see how far this one goes. You've got the corrective outlook on the stochastics, that's a near-term signal. You've got the RSI around 50, which is sort of the lowest in 3 weeks as well. So the market is certainly corrective, and it's interesting to see that the little bit of support that we've had today has just sort of dropped away again in the last few minutes. And you look on this hourly chart and the configuration of the momentum, whereby the MACD lines are now sort of decisively below neutral, and if they fail to get back above neutral and hold above it, then you'd say that rallies are a chance to sell, really. The RSI this week has been failing around 50, and again, that's pretty much where we're sitting sort of at the moment, sort of as this market has sort of rolled over a touch. You've got this old support that becomes new resistance. You've got the old support of 20 figure, that's the resistance now. On the breakdown, 1980 yesterday, or yeah, basically yesterday's reaction high, and today also, whereby you had this initial support of yesterday's low becoming resistance. So this old support becomes new resistance. So failing around 1955 now. So it's sort of putting further pressure back on sort of the belly of this this sort of trading that we saw through December. So within that, you've got 19 figure as that breakout level. 1860 is a bit of a pivot as well in the last few months. Nothing too accurate on 1860, but still as a basis of a pivot there. And if you break below that, you sort of looking at the late December low, which is 1815. But so that uptrend comes in around 1845 today, and I think that uptrend of the last sort of 8-9 weeks is a key level, really, because if you break that to the downside, that sort of takes you below all these moving averages that the market has been trading above for so long. Well, certainly throughout late November, early December. Sorry, into December. So if you break below that, then that becomes a bit of a bit more of a concern, I think, for the market, and you start to sort of reopen these lows of 17.15 of the December low. But the market is still, I think, euro positive on a medium-term basis. Just a near-term, your sort of dollar is strengthening, and the euro has turned a bit more corrective. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later.